Hi children, I hope you're enjoying skip counting. Yes, today we are going to do skip counting in fives. Look at the pattern. Look how you form the skip counting in five. First, let's look at the numbers from 0 to 10. Then you understand what is skip counting in fives. Here we are. Look. We have 0 to 10. What is skip counting in 5? We begin with 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you jump from 0 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0, 5, 10. Skip counting in 5, 5, 10. Yes. Now let's look at the full pattern from 0 to 100. And then you understand better. Skip counting in fives. Look. You have 0 right up to 10. Yet, then you have from 10 to 100. Let's do it. We did 0, 5, 10. Now, after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. After 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. After 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. After 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. After 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. After 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. After 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. After 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. After 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. After 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. After 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. After 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. After 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. After 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. After 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. After 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. After 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Let's say all the skip counting in 5. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Now look, we have learned skip counting from 0 to 5. Look at the pattern you have here. All 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And here you have fives, all the fives. Look at the beautiful pattern. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 90. All 0, then all the fives, then all the tenses. This is the beautiful pattern. Good. Now, we have learned skip counting in fives.